Replace your thermostat safely and stop arcing or shorts by following a step-by-step wiring protocol that pros use every time. Turn the breaker off and verify power is dead at the thermostat with a non-contact voltage tester or multimeter set to measure alternating current. If you are not comfortable using a meter, call a professional. Photograph the existing wiring at the thermostat base and label each wire with masking tape and a permanent marker so you can reconnect exactly to the new terminal letters, preventing miswiring that can damage control boards. Before you pull wires out, gently slacken and separate them so conductors do not touch. Never pull multiple wires together because insulation tears and copper can momentarily contact other conductors. When removing the old thermostat, lift one wire at a time and immediately cap or tape the stripped end with electrical tape, or use a wire nut on stranded conductors to prevent accidental contact with the metal backplate or other wires. Keep unused conductors insulated and bundled back into the wall cavity with a short length of heat shrink tubing or a small cap, so they cannot fall against live terminals later. For heat pump and common wire connections, verify the terminal labeling at the air handler or furnace control board matches the thermostat letters, and use the equipment maker's wiring diagram to confirm correct jumper placement and reversing valve control, or you risk compressor. Shorting. After hooking the new thermostat, turn the breaker on and test system functions one circuit at a time. First the fan, then heating, then cooling. While watching for blown fuses, tripped breakers, or unexpected noises, if anything trips, immediately cut power and recheck connections. Finally, if you see any arcing, scorch marks, or smell burning when power is restored, shut the breaker off and call a licensed heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician, because those signs mean component damage or a loose terminal that needs professional repair. One of the top 3 thermostat installation mistakes is leaving power on while swapping wires, which causes electrical arcing and blown fuses. Fix this by always switching off the correct breaker, verifying 0 voltage at the thermostat, and labeling wires before touching them. One of the other common issues is not insulating or capping unused conductors so they short against a metal plate or other terminal self. Remedy that by immediately insulating stray wires with tape, heat shrink tubing, or wire nuts and tucking them safely into the wall. One of the final frequent problems is misreading terminal letters or skipping the equipment manufacturer wiring diagram, causing reversed functions or control board damage. Solve that by photographing current wiring, cross-checking the air handler control board, and following the manufacturer diagram step by step. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local contractors and makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted professionals for thermostat replacement and electrical safety checks. The directory also helps contractors get local work by connecting them with nearby homeowners seeking licensed service for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning and electrical projects.